All right, let's talk about something that's totally changing the game in broadcasting. We're not just talking about regular automation anymore. We're on the edge of a whole new era, an era of intelligent systems. Today, we're going to dive deep into the AI frontier, what's happening right now, and what it means for, well, the entire future of media.
Okay, before we get into the really cool stuff, just a quick heads up. What you're about to see is part 8 of a big 11-part overview from Virtualization Options LLC. Now, this is all based on public info, marketing materials and the like, and that stuff can change in a heartbeat. So, our advice, if you're really interested in a specific company, do your own homework and check directly with them for the latest and greatest info. All right, let's move on. Okay, housekeeping's done. Let's get to the fun part. We are zeroing in on Chapter 8 of this report, and honestly, this is where things get really interesting. It's all about looking past today and straight into tomorrow. We're talking about AI and what happens when broadcast workflows don't just run, they think. So I want you to really think about this question for a second. What if your broadcast could actually think for itself? I'm not talking about a system that just mindlessly plays a preloaded schedule. No way. I'm talking about a system that can see what's happening, analyze it, adapt on the fly, and even optimize itself in real time. I mean, that's not just an upgrade, that's a revolution. And that's exactly the promise of AI. So what does this AI-driven automation actually mean in the real world? Well, think about how far we've come, right? From clunky physical tapes to digital files. This is the next giant leap. We're going from systems that just follow a list of commands to systems that make smart decisions on their own. Imagine this. A live sports game is on, and AI is watching it, and it can instantly recognize a goal, a penalty, a big save. It tags all those key moments automatically. It could even cut together a highlight package, ready to go, without a human lifting a finger. That's the kind of power we're talking about here.
You know, the fact that this report gives AI its own entire chapter, well, that tells you everything you need to know, doesn't it? This isn't just some cool new feature or a little add-on. The report is treating it as a massive, fundamental shift. It's a whole new way of thinking about how media gets managed and delivered from the ground up. So if this is the future, who's actually building it? Good question. Chapter 8 of the report puts a spotlight right on the key players, the companies and the innovators who are really pushing this whole thing forward. All right, so the report calls out a few big names you'll probably recognize, like Dalit and Sony. These guys are the established heavyweights, and they're weaving AI into everything, from managing huge media libraries to making cloud productions smarter. But, and this is cool, it also looks at what it calls emerging intelligent workflow solutions. Think of these as the up-and-comers, maybe smaller startups, that are doing really specific, clever things like automatically editing for compliance or using AI to place ads perfectly. It just shows you that this innovation isn't just coming from the top, it's bubbling up from everywhere. And the main point here is that this isn't just some sci-fi theory. It's happening right now. The report singles out these companies for a reason. They are the ones on the ground building and shipping the tools that are literally shaping the future of the industry. So if you're in this space, these are absolutely the folks and the trends you need to be watching. Okay, so let's pull back for a second and look at the big picture. We've talked about what this AI stuff is and who's making it, but what does it all mean? What does this intelligent future really look like for the entire media world? Here's the bottom line, and it's super important. AI in broadcasting is not just a buzzword, it's not just hype. It is the engine that's going to power the next generation of media. Think about it. It makes things way more efficient by taking over all those boring, repetitive tasks. It gives us the scale to handle just insane amounts of content. And most importantly, it gives us a much smarter way to get the right content to the right person at the right time, no matter where they are. It's a total game changer. And all of this leaves us with one last, really fascinating question to chew on. We know this change is coming. It's inevitable. And we've seen who the report thinks are the leaders today. But as this technology just explodes in capability, who's going to really define what comes next? Who are the innovators that will step up and lead us into this new, intelligent era of media? That, my friends, is the story that's being written as we speak.